Welcome guys to another lecture. In this lecture, we would be studying the heading tag. Before we continue, I would like you guys to create a new file and save it in the same folder where you have saved the previous file. Name the file as heading.html and copy the basic structure from this video and then continue the video. HTML basically gives us 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. Let me type all of them. Only type less than H1 and press enter and it will auto-complete the syntax for you. Then the same H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 tags. Now the basic difference between all these levels is that it differs from each other on the basis of font size and boldness of text. Let me try out by simply typing hello world text in all of these tags. I'll copy this text for the rest of the tags. Save the file and open it in your browser. Here we have the same text hello world printed on the screen with different font sizes and boldness. One thing important, the sequence of this tag is not like you would use H1 first and H2 the second. You can use these tags irregularly, and yes, it's not also important that you can use one tag only once. You can use it as much as you want. Let me show you guys by changing the tags and using tags multiple times. Let us change this H1 to H2, and here I am using the H2 twice. Now instead of H3, let me type H1 and let us use this H1 instead of H6 too. Save the file and refresh your browser. Here you will see that all the tags has been irregularly placed. I hope you would have got the idea. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will do my best to answer all of them. Till now, see you guys in the next lecture.